parents to bring us the students who have been admitted, because all the learners have been placed in schools. So we expect all the parents to take them. For the parents who will not have done so, we expect that in the course of towards the end of this week, we will be able to do stock taking of the learners who will not have gone to school, and using the multi-sectoral team with the office of the county commissioner, we should be able to trace and bring those students to their respective schools. We have seen so many parents who have brought the boys, and the boys are ready to learn. They are willing and ready to learn. So we are also very happy that the school has complied with the regulations, and we are in the process of moving out to other institutions. My colleagues in officers in the county are in other schools monitoring the admission process. In this admission process, we are checking compliance to the government regulations, the ministry's guidelines on admission, and we are emphasizing the importance of admitting even the learners with needs, those who may have challenges with fees. We are encouraging our principals to admit them. So we are very optimistic that by the end of, maybe the end of tomorrow, and even Wednesday, most of the students will be in the schools. So we are looking forward to a successful admission process. Finally, we are calling upon our principals to ensure that all learners who have turned up should be admitted. And for the parents who may still be having their students who have not brought to school, we are encouraging them that they should go, they should take them to the schools that they have been admitted.